And I've reached the Coyote Creek. Whoa, what the heck? That guy was on a kick scooter. I'm gonna rush in front of this truck. Oh man, quick. Oh. Okay, not too deadly. And as you can see, the railroad tracks are overgrown and abandoned. There's people down there. There's tweakers just chilling under the bridge right there. Hey, where'd they take the office chair? Looks like somebody got a brand new office chair. Okay, you gotta see this. Look at that, man. It's completely rotted away. That's a serious hazard. Wow, it wasn't like that before. Looks almost scorched. Maybe they cooked food right there or something. I don't know what's sketchier, this steel grating or the wooden planks. Oh, check that out. They're camping right there. Yeah, they're right there. They could probably see me right now. Here's the old railroad track bridge from this side. Man, I don't remember it being this steep. Okay. Yeah, see straight ahead? That's where they are. Then straight ahead here is an encampment. And here's the bottom of the bridge. Right here are the slimy waters of the Coyote Creek. There's a bicyclist right there, and a jogger. Not the kind of jogger you're thinking of, but a jogger nonetheless. Hey, look at that shot. You can see somebody walking far down there. Uh-oh, better watch out for the ducks. They don't seem too bothered. I'll just shuffle past them. Okay, wait, here's a good place to tilt the camera down. So that water's heading to the ocean, which is about 7 or 8 miles that way. It joins up with the San Gabriel River, then drains out into the Pacific Ocean. There's people taking the bike path. A prehistoric bird. They don't seem too concerned. Oh man, what are they eating out of the toxic water? Once again, I must investigate this spot. Looks like they cleaned it out. Yeah, there's nothing. Nothing here. Just a bike lock. Somebody could come here and lock their bike. Danger, intermittent pump discharge. Keep clear. And then in this one, same thing. And then there's my scooter all the way over there. There it is, another encampment. I think this is Crescent. Yeah, this is Crescent Street, but it changes its name once it gets into LA. Yep, there's their bikes. And there's the encampment. Yeah, I don't even gotta fold the scooter. This is easy. It's like I'm wearing canvas sneakers. Maybe if you have different shoes, it's easier to walk up the incline. Yeah, and you can see down Lincoln Carson, there's even more encampments. All punch in post-production. And right there's another encampment. Pretty peaceful out here. Check this out. Wonder what kind of flowers those are. Okay, here's the place I always wanted to look at. The intersection of whatever this is. And here it is, the intersection of Centralia and Bloomfield. I see, so what's it called? Crescent turns into Centralia. I think these apartments are kind of new. It gets a little ghetto when you go that way. Coveted black Cybertruck, or stealth Cybertruck, if you will. A relatively nice liquor store. Okay, let's see what's around the corner. Damn, they still have these? Well, this one's empty. This one looks like it's got the nudie, or the weird magazine, the classifieds and stuff. I know Hawaiian Gardens is not too far that way, but I'm not sure if I'm still in Hawaiian Gardens or if I'm in Lakeside or whatever. Helicopter in the far off distance. Yeah, I don't know if this is Hawaiian Gardens, but I know Hawaiian Gardens is that way. Looks like they got all the Pokemons or something. I don't know what those are. See, if you go down to that major street, can't remember what it's called, but it's La Palma. I think it'll take you straight to the LA River uninterrupted, and then that's a video I'm gonna make someday. I'll document part of the journey to the LA River, and then I'll record the LA River. But man, that's gonna take like an hour and a half to get there probably.